ladies, and welcome back to my channel, Jory Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I will be doing something a little different, something that most people probably wouldn't do. But before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos, give this video a fat thumbs up, and comment down below. Well, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So today's video, I will be styling my bathing suits as regular clothes. Now I know this sounds a little weird, like,
what do you mean? Like, bathing suits are bathing suits, clothes are clothes.
Yeah, but not just any bathing suit. I'm talking about the most good looking bathing suits and the ones that really can look like regular clothes. Now if you don't know what I mean, we're going to go ahead and get into this video so you guys can see. So of course I'm going to be putting pieces together and I'm just going to be showing y'all what I mean. So basically what I'm going to do is, I have a few bathing suits right here that I'm going to be using. So the first bathing suit that I have is this one-piece bathing suit. So this is the top and these are the bottoms. Now I don't know how this is going to look with, you know, pants, or skirt, whatever I decided to put it with. But we're going to see. Hopefully you don't see the yellow, because I really don't want to see the yellow. I just want to see the white. But we're going to see how that turns out. Second bathing suit, which of course I don't have both pieces, I just have one. This is a bathing suit top. Now I can honestly say this definitely isn't a real bathing suit top, but the material is made out of bathing suits. So why not just use it as a bathing suit top instead of using it as a regular shirt? So then I have two more that I'm going to be using. Now of course, don't get me wrong, I have way more bathing suits than this, but these are just the ones that I'm using because these will look better with regular clothes. So I have this one piece. Now if you've seen my bathing suit, boyfriend rates my bathing suits, then you've already seen these bathing suits. But if you haven't, go check that video out and then come back. Sister, come back. Okay. So I have this one piece, and this is going to be really cute. I already know it because this is sheer, and sheer looks good with jeans. The only thing that kind of throws it off is these butterflies. Now, why these butterflies on here? But we can make it work. So yeah. And then last but not least, my favorite bathing suit of them all is this snakeskin one piece. Now when you look at it, it looks confusing because it's a lot of tying that you have to do in order to keep the bathing suit together. But this is basically what it looks like. If you put this together, the bra, then the stomach is out, and then the bottom piece. So these, well, you know, I'm not going to tell you, I'm just going to show y'all. So I'm going to try to get like some pants out that I feel will look better with these, and then I'm going to get back to y'all. Okay, so first shirt that I have, well, first bathing suit that I have on is this off the shoulder, like tie-dye looking thing. And the shorts that I was originally going to style them with, they are dirty. So I'm sorry about that, but I definitely am happy that I have some other black shorts. So I have these right here, and they're just some little like little shorts. So this shirt will look really cute with this, and you can't get me wrong. And this outfit would probably look really cute with like some cute little like Vans, like these will look cute with this, or like some fur slides. If you want to wear sandals, you can, but those are like my preferences if I was to wear this as an outfit, which I probably will. Or I would probably try on the other shorts just to see which one looks better. But yeah, this is really cute. I mean, this can really get away as a regular shirt because it looks like one. But like I said, I turned it into a bathing suit top. So I guess you could say this is more so like a bathing suit top. But we gonna say it is, even if it ain't. So yeah, these cute little black shorts, high-waisted of course. Now if you ain't got high-waisted pants, shorts, whatever, you already lost, because anything cropped looks better with high top, period. So now we're going to get into the one-piece bathing suits. I want you guys to rate this outfit down below in the comment section and tell me what you think, because this will be cute for like a little night out, or if you guys go on a little simple day like a walk or something, or a movie. This will be cute for anything really. So next bathing suit that I'm going to be styling is this one piece with a little one shoulder strap and a little yellow bottom. Now you can see the yellow a little bit on back and front, but it's fine. So I decided to style this with some jeans. So it is a little bit like distressed. I don't really know if I really like this, mainly because you can see the yellow and I don't really like that. But it's still kind of cute. Or if you, it looks better in the in person. Like if I look in the mirror, it looks better. And these would definitely go with these. I think this outfit will look better with like some cute little sneakers or some sandals. So it looks cute in the mirror, but you know, I'm not that much of a fan. It's still cute though, like I said. Somebody somewhere would like this a lot. Or if you want to switch it up, I do have like some more things I could wear it with, possibly. With these shorts, these tassel shorts. I definitely can't say I do like the jeans better. I don't really like these shorts with this bathing suit. Like I said, somebody somewhere would like them, would like this outfit. It's not bad, it's just not really a fave. But I do like these shorts though. Kind of show my butt a little bit. They're a lot high-waisted. But yeah, overall this bathing suit is cute. So you take the time out to style it however you want, and you'll get a perfect outfit. So next bathing suit that I have on is the see-through one. It shows a lot of skin. I started with these white jeans, but I don't really think I like them that much, honestly. Most people would wear black sheer with black pants, but I don't like wearing all black. I'll try them on just to see what they look like, but I would probably style these with like some dark colored jeans. Maybe like either flared jeans or just regular skinny jeans. Yeah, the white pants are definitely not doing it, so I'm going to try on some more pants and see what looks better. This is what it looks like with some black shorts. Just imagine if these were black skinny jeans, it would be the same thing. Black pants, they're black. It looks alright, but I don't like wearing, like I said, I don't like wearing a lot of black. Definitely not my go-to, because it would be too hot. But I definitely, if I was to wear this with black pants, I would definitely wear them with like shorts or a skirt, because it's too hot to be wearing black pants. It looks fine. It's after this. Like I said, it's too much black. But I don't really wear sheer, but I like the way this looks on me. So now I'm going to style it with dark color jeans. I'm just going to put on the same jeans I had before and see which one looks better. You guys rate these outfits. Like I said, I want to know which outfit looks better, what you guys would prefer if you was to do the same thing. Now I have on some dark colored jeans, like I said, the same ones I wore before. And I don't really know. Probably the black pants, the black shorts probably looks better. I don't know, it's just, I guess with it being black sheer, it just looks kind of funny with jeans, period. Any color except black But even then, like, I still don't like the black. It's just too much black for me. I don't think I've ever worn all black. If I have, I was told to, but I never did it by choice, because I like to wear color. If I'm gonna wear black, I'm gonna wear white or some other color. If I wear white, I'm gonna wear some other color. I'm not gonna wear colors on colors. That's just too much, especially black. Black is dark and it makes you hot. So you guys let me know down below which one you think looks better. I feel like the shirt period will look better with jeans or shorts. I don't know about a skirt, but I don't know. It's either between the jeans, the dark colored jeans, and the black shorts. But on to the last bathing suit. Okay, so last bathing suit that I have is the snakeskin green and black. And I started with some black stacked jeans that I made. And I'm going to put the video down below so you guys can see how to make them if you would like. Or you can get somebody else to make them. Here's the back. My back is out. And here's the front. Here's the side. Right side, left side. And this is what they look like. I like this outfit a lot. It definitely looks way better in person because you can see the whole outfit. I don't know what shoes I would wear with these. Either like some cute little sneakers or some fur slides, definitely. I don't think I would wear any sandals. But yeah, I like these. I haven't worn these pants at all since I worn them. I mean, since I made them. And it's been a minute. So yeah. And I'm also going to try on the shorts so you guys can see the shorts. Because the shorts I think will be really cute. Anything black, period. Except for a skirt. So here is the shorts. And I like these too. These look really cute. I got my little bow out. Yeah, this is really cute. I would definitely wear this. Or like if you was going to like a certain water park or a pool or something, you could just wear these to have like as a cover up for your bathing suit. Or if you wanted to like have something cuter, like I know they have these sheer long pants with like the ruffles on the side. I've been wanting some of those, but I can't really find any. I think I saw some on Amazon, but I'll just have to look at the reviews and get me some. You can either wear this as an outfit, or you can just wear it as it is because it's a bathing suit. Have a little cute little cover up. These will be cute. And then just put my shorts back on, and then like some cute little, either some flip-flops or fur slides. And I need to get me some all black fur slides because these are not going to match. So yeah, you guys, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, comment down below which outfit you like better, or how you would style your bathing suits if you were to do this. And if you don't want to do it, that's also fine because everybody has their own preference, and that's fine with me. But me, I would do it. But yeah, if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch the last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.